Okay, this question is asking us how fast the depth of the water in the tank increasing when the water is 6 meters deep. We're going to see that this points out the radius to us, which is going to be our big R, and this is the depth, so this is going to be our big H, and this is a rate, so this is going to be our dVt, or our derivative for volume. We're going to draw these over here real quick to help us visualize what we're looking for. This is going to be 10, this is going to be 9, this is going to be our small r, and this is going to be our small h. Okay. The first things first, we're going to want to do proportions. We're going to want to do 10 over h, which is 10 over r, 10 over r is equal to 9 over h. And then we're going to set it up so that this is going to equal, that these are going to equal r. This is going to be r equals 10 over 9h. And we're going to plug this into our volume formula. It's going to be 1 over 3 pi r squared h. We're going to plug that in. It's going to look like this. And we're going to want to distribute this so that our equation is going to be 100 over 81 h2 is h. And we're going to want to multiply this as well as this. This is going to give us 100 over 243 h3. We're going to put this pi over here. Now we want to find the derivative of this, h cubed, which is going to be 3h squared dh dt. 3 times 1 equals 3, which is where we get that 3 from. And then 3 minus 1 equals 2, which is where we get that. And the dh is just the derivative of h. We're going to set this to dv dt equals 100 pi over 243 3h2 dh dt. And then we're going to want to cancel this out, but in doing so, we're also going to take the 3 out of 243. So we're going to write this. And we're going to end up with 100 pi over 81 dh dt. We're going to end up with dh dt h2. All right. And now we're going to try to set it so that we're solving for dh dt. So we're going to put dh dt equals, and we're going to flip this over because of that. So it's 81 over 100 pi dv dt. Now we know that our small h is going to be 6. So we're going to plug that into our h, h2. It's going to be dh dt equals 81 over 100 pi 6 2 times 3, because this is where we get our dv dt from here, times 3. We're going to move this up here. It's going to be dh dt. dh dt equals 81 times 3 over 100 pi times 36. And we're going to get 243 over 3,600 pi. And when we simplify this, we're going to end up with 27 over 400 pi. So the rate of the water in the tank as it when increasing the rate of the water in the tank when increasing at 6 meters deep is going to be 27/400 pi.